I can't get no satisfaction. Dun, dun.
Uy, alin dito
Like
yung
this, bro?
tumingin. Yakin.
Wait lang, Chris. Wait lang. Yeah.
Hala, what are you doing?
Disinfecting our utensils.
Oh, yeah, kadiri. Very good.
Anton's picking up real well.
Good boy.
No, it makes the meat faster.
What?
It makes the meat
Ew.
get tender faster. Daw. You want it to boil na?
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
you said yes, right?
Christina, good luck.
Oh.
Hi, Zel.
Babasahin ko muna to.
Hi, Zel. We missed you. Zel, ayan na. Abodo. Grabe, so. Yay. The Abodo cut.
Abodo.
Oh, Dayam.
It's okay, that's the fun part. Where are the scissors? Yeah, so cute.
Next group. Group A, pumunta na kayo sa dance hall. I'll wake up the boys.
I'll wake them
Group
up with
A,
the
dance
soundboard.
hall. Benny.
Boys.
Benny. Ay, ang ganda ng
Boys, class
eyeshadow.
nyo na. Now na. Bugoy, class nyo na. Oh yeah.
You can...
Someone has to go to the piano room. Door, please. Okay. Door.
Microphone mo. Ay, nakatulog na ako.
Saan nandun na sila?
Nakatulog.
Yeah. Every night you should be.
Boy! Ano yung song mo in my mortal?
Punta na tayong ano.
Joke.
Ban, alin na ban? Bad ka nami.
Sipon mo, turo. Magkano? Dali. Paluod.
Aka.
Ganyan lang, Miguel.
Ay, ganun ba yan?
Ay. Yan.
Na-trap. Nandiyan na ba sila sa loob? Sa'yo mo si CR lang ako.
Ako rin. Hi! Ikaw lang? Ikaw lang?
Ban, pwede ko painom tubig? Pwede ko painom tubig? Nawala akong tumbler. Ala, pwede ko mo inom.